Hey, I'm Nikki, and people are always telling me I'm unique. No kidding, I say. Everyone is unique. But then they say, no, Nikki, you're extra unique. Maybe it's because I'm always making things. And the new Stellaire2, it's made for people who make things. The Stellaire2 is packed with features I love. It's loaded with cool technology, including wireless connectivity, so I can transfer designs to and from my machine. And with the Artspira app, I can easily bring my wildest ideas to life. I totally love the embroidery capabilities, like the exclusive built-in designs, including over 100 Disney designs. And check out this cool couching technique, so I can embroider letters with yarn to create a fun 3D effect. And I can see my designs on the super clear 10.1-inch HD LCD display. Oh, and check out the 2-point embroidery positioning function with LED pointer. It lights up the fabric and shows exactly where the needle will drop. That lets me align designs for precise positioning. And the Brother exclusive My Design Center? It's awesome! The possibilities are practically endless. You know, sometimes people ask, Nikki, what are you working on next? Let's just say I have some ideas. The Stellaire2, a machine for one-of-a-kind makers like us.